In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Black Ops 7 split screen not working on your Xbox Series X or S. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to get split screen working on any console, you are going to need to have two Activision accounts, one for your main profile and one for that secondary controller. If your second controller doesn't already have an Activision account linked to its account that it's going to be linked to, just make a new one using a secondary email so you can use it whenever guests do come over. I know that sounds kind of complicated. To break it down even more, your main controller is going to be associated with your main account, which is obviously going to be associated with its own Activision account. Essentially, just make sure that whatever account the secondary controller is going to be using also has an Activision account associated with it that's not your main account. Hopefully that cleared things up a little bit. On the right side of your screen towards the bottom, you're going to see an option that says add a controller or keyboard or mouse for split screen. Essentially, just turn on your second Xbox controller, and when it powers on, you'll be asked to assign a profile. Choose the Xbox profile that is linked to that second Activision account. If it's not linked yet, the game's going to prompt you to sign in and connect an Activision account first. But once it is linked, you will see the option to press X or A on an Xbox to join split screen, and after you press it, it's going to fully log in that second profile, and you'll see their account level and their account info on the right side of the screen, close to where your name is right here. From here, all you have to do is just press find a match on either controller. It's going to pull up a page that looks like this, and then choose essentially whatever game mode you want to go ahead and play. This is going to work from public matches to private matches to really anything. As long as both accounts remain signed in, split screen will work. The only reason split screens wouldn't work is if one of the accounts signed out, the controller disconnects, like a dead battery, Bluetooth drop, etc., or if the second account wasn't linked to an Activision account. As long as everything stays connected, split screen should work perfectly, just like you see here. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.